Welcome to Backyard Engineered, my new YouTube channel where we build and look at all things engineering. I've got some great videos and builds in the pipeline, so consider subscribing and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. Today we are cleaning, upgrading and running the Mamod TE1A traction engine. To start with, I'm just going to give it a clean, not a thorough tear down, just a quick clean, just using hot soapy water for the parts with paint on, and I'll be using WD-40 for any bare metal parts. I won't be using WD on any paint, as it probably won't do it any good. Here I'm just taking the side glass out and giving that a clean as well. I am now adding the rubber tyres to the traction engine. Originally it didn't come with the rubber tyres. I bought these off eBay. They're pretty easy to install and it makes the traction engine look a lot better as well, in my opinion. So that was the upgrade. Here, just cleaning all the metal parts with WD, including the canopy, and oiling any moving parts as well. Not to forget the firebox as well. Here I'm just adjusting the little latches that the firebox sits on, as it sometimes falls off. And there we go, we're done. Okay, so when it comes to the firing process, you want to remove the safety valve and fill the boiler with water. It helps to have a funnel. I didn't have one of these at hand, so I just poured it in. However, it was a lot more difficult. You want to fill it to the correct point using the sight glass. If you don't have a sight glass, your engine might have a draining plug. You want to undo that, fill the boiler full of water until water pours out the draining plug, and that's when the boiler is at the correct level. Next, you want to light your fuel. In this case it's Mamod fuel tablets. You want to light these until you burn a layer of wax away and they will ignite. The flame is kind of invisible, so be careful when you do this. If your engine runs on methylated spirits, just fill the burner with meths until it won't soak up anymore, and again the flame, you can't see it, so be careful. Next, you want to oil all moving parts. I've already done it, but any moving parts, including the piston, maybe the axles as well. On the first run I did have a malfunction in this video here. I put it into forward gear, ran it, put it back into neutral, and the flywheel continued to spin. Again, slow motion, into neutral, the flywheel continued spinning. This little screw was loose, was the reason. So I just tightened that up and we were back up and running again. Some first person shots from the GoPro mounted on the Mamod. And there we have it, the cleaning, upgrading, firing and running process of Mamod's TE1A traction engine. It's a great little engine, I 100% recommend it. Please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon for future videos. Like I said, some great videos in the pipeline. It's a new channel, we hope to be bringing content every week or so. Thanks for watching guys, have a great day.